Hey, what's up guys, it's Manu here from Andro.com. 2019 is coming to an end, and just like I've done in the past in other years, this is gonna be my last video of 2019 where I'm gonna be recapping my 2019 and I'm gonna tell you guys what happened in 2019 and what my plans are for 2020 and moving forward. So if you guys are excited for this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's get started with my last video of 2019. First, let's start off with the channel growth. In 2019, we have passed 31,000 subscribers, 31,000 of you, a global audience coming in from all over the world to watch Sri Lankan made tech videos here on Andro Dollar. So that's, I think, a big achievement for me, and I hope to continue to grow this milestone and to slowly get together more people to hit that 100,000 subscriber mark. So I really hope you guys will be showing your support for me to achieve that goal and to gather around more and more people from all over the world into this global community that I'm building here on Andro Dollar. And hopefully we can gather around a lot more people in 2020. So I want to thank all of you guys who have been watching my videos. I know some of you guys have been watching ever since I started this channel. That was long time ago. So I want to thank all of you, whether you have been watching from the very beginning or whether you have started watching recently. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching my videos, and I really hope you guys will show your support moving forward. Share my videos, watch my videos, criticize them if something is not good, so that I can improve myself and I can improve my videos to make more useful videos for you guys. And I have some great plans for 2020 which I will put into action, and I'll be putting out some awesome content for you guys. So definitely stay tuned for 2020 because it's gonna be something special. Before 2019, I was always working off of my room. I was running 3 companies just in my room, and I was recording all of my videos inside my room with my bed in there, and I didn't even have space to move around. I had all these lights and everything set up, but it was not enough space for me to grow this company. So that's why I've moved into this new office. And in 2019, I've also grown my staff, and now for my services company as well as my YouTube channel and my other production work that I have going around. I have a crew, and this office space is really great for that, and we have all sorts of fun activities here as well along with the work. And together as a team, we try to put out some amazing content for you guys, and I'm really happy that in 2019 I was able to open up this new office, and slowly maybe I can move into even bigger things, even a bigger studio maybe down the line. So this is a perfect start for me when it comes to having my own office, new studio space, new angle, and a lot of white minimalistic design tones in my videos. So I've heard a lot of good things, good comments from you guys. So let's see how it goes. Let me know what you guys think about this setup and how I can maybe improve it in 2020. Talking about my other companies, in 2019 my services company actually grew quite a lot. We got some amazing client projects, not only from Sri Lanka but also some offshore projects. So now we are working on some really interesting projects these days, and it's really nice that I get to use my vision to change this world with some clients with their innovative ideas. I get to help clients out with different concepts with my team. And we get to do amazing stuff and build amazing software. So if you guys want anything related to software done, if you want a website done, if you want a mobile application done, or if you want something even more complicated done, if you need anything done with AI, anything that has to do with machine learning, natural language processing, or big data, or anything that you want related to software or a computer, any service that you want, just drop an email to services@androdollar.com with all of your requirements, and my company can help you guys build your product. If you have just a concept and you have no idea how to get your product launched, if you have no idea how to build the software that you want, maybe you just have an idea but you have no idea how to build that and how to make a product out of it, you can drop us an email, we can meet up, we can discuss about your idea, and we can help you build whatever software that you want. So I just wanted to give a quick little shout out to my services company. So if you want any type of software work done, Andro Dollar Services is the one for you. So you can drop an email to services@androdollar.com. Once again, if you have any requirements like that. In 2019, I got to play with a lot of amazing smartphones. I made a ton of videos. I've made over 90 videos in 2019, and that I think is a personal record even for me. So in 2020, I plan to make even more interesting videos. In 2019, I got to play with even the foldable phone from Huawei. In 2020, hopefully we'll get more interesting products and more interesting devices. And whatever I get my hands on, I will make some interesting videos for you guys. Not just any type of videos, but videos filled with high quality, because that's what I personally strive for here in the channel. I want to make high quality videos for you guys, so that you guys get to see the best quality videos from a Sri Lankan YouTube channel. I also like to mention some of my personal gains in 2019. I actually got my own tattoo in 2019. I've put Andro Dollar over here in case you guys didn't notice already. I'm sure most of you guys have already seen it. So Andro Dollar for life. And another great thing that happened in 2019 was I was able to buy my own car, and that has been really great. So I actually picked up a Nissan Leaf electric car, and some of you guys even wanted to see a video on that. I actually didn't make that yet. Maybe after I use it for some more time, maybe if you guys are really interested, I can make that happen. If you guys would like to see that, let me know, and maybe if a lot of you guys are actually interested, I will make that happen. In 2019, I have also continued lecturing. I mentioned last year that I started doing visiting lectures. So in 2019, I've done more sessions at my institute, and I got the opportunity to do even more modules, and it has really been fun to teach the next generation and to motivate them to try and do even better than we did in university. So it has been really great, and I look forward to do more and more lecturing in 2020 as well. In 2019, I also got the opportunity to write for the paper more and more. So this entire year, I have written for the paper quite a lot. I've written so many articles for Ceylon Today, and even in 2020, I plan to write some more interesting tech articles. So I hope you guys will like that. Not only that, the Andro Dollar blog is also getting a little bit more active now. Definitely check out androdollar.com for the latest tech news. In 2019, I also upgraded my gear quite a lot. I have upgraded a lot of things here. I've bought so many things to improve the quality of my channel, quality of my videos, quality of my production. So it has been great, and in 2020, I want to get more and more quality stuff to improve the quality of my channel and my videos, so that you guys get to see the best quality videos from me here on YouTube. In 2019, I also proposed to my girlfriend, not anywhere but on top of the World Heritage Site Sigiriya, and I even made a video out of it using the new GoPro Hero 8 as well as the new iPhone 11 Pro. So that video is also in my channel. In case you guys haven't seen that, you can check that out. I'll have a link for that down below in the description, as well as a card right here, so that you guys can check that out. It's a bit of a different video, but if you want to see romantic things, maybe that's the video for you. So I'm really excited for the adventurous future that I have. I want to travel. I have traveled quite a lot in 2019. I've gone to a lot of places around Sri Lanka. I want to travel all over Sri Lanka first. So in 2020 I plan on traveling even more, going to new places and exploring this amazing country, and I will share my stories and my experiences over on my Instagram. If you guys are not following me over on my Instagram, then definitely do so, because on Instagram I post quite a lot of my daily activities, daily routine, and what happens and what adventures I'm on. So if you guys want to see that, definitely follow me. All the links are given down below in the description. And in 2020 I have some more plans, and I'm sure it's gonna be a really exciting year. I want to make some amazing videos for you guys, just like in 2018. I want to share that Google form once again with you guys. So last year I actually shared a Google form with you guys to gather around feedback, which some of you guys actually gave me. It's really good. It has been really helpful. So this time around I'm gonna do the same thing once again. I'm gonna put a Google form link down below in the description. If you guys can go ahead and take a few minutes of your time and fill that out and let me know how I can improve my channel for you guys, and how I can make better videos here on YouTube, and what type of videos you guys want to see here in the channel. So if there's any particular schedule you guys want to see, or if there's any particular device you guys want to see, or let me know what type of other content you guys want to see here on Andro Dollar. So I'll have the link for that down below in the description. Definitely go ahead and fill that out, and I will definitely take all of your feedback and all of your thoughts into consideration when I plan out my 2020. So with that, we come to the end of this video. I just want to recap my 2019. It's just the highlights that I want to share with you, but a lot more things happened in 2019, and I'm really excited for the year 2020. I'm really excited for 2020 because now we are ending the old decade and we are starting off a new decade with 2020. So a lot more exciting things will come. A lot more exciting tech coverage will be here on Andro Dollar. So if you want to see the latest tech, some of the exclusives right here in Sri Lanka, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button if in case you haven't already, and also definitely go ahead and share my channel with all of your friends all over Sri Lanka as well as all over the world. Just send this link around to all of the people, and let's grow this global community here on Andro Dollar. So with that, guys, we come to the end of my last video of 2019. I hope you guys have a very happy new year. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.